Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to self-study medicine. First, clearly define your learning objectives. Are you interested in anatomy, physiology, or a specific disease? Next, gather high-quality resources. Look for reputable textbooks, university-level online courses, and peer-reviewed medical journals. Finally, establish a consistent study schedule. Dedicate at least 1 to 2 hours daily to ensure steady progress and retention of complex medical information. To master medicine, prioritize foundational subjects like anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry. These form the bedrock of medical knowledge. Employ active recall techniques, such as creating your own flashcards or answering practice questions to solidify understanding. Don't just passively read, actively test yourself. Incorporate spaced repetition into your routine to revisit topics at increasing intervals, which significantly boosts long-term retention of complex medical concepts. Applying your knowledge is crucial. Look for case studies or clinical vignettes to understand how medical concepts translate to real-world patient care. Engaging with these scenarios helps bridge the gap between theory and practice. Also, connect with others. Join online medical forums or study groups to discuss challenging topics and gain different perspectives. If feasible, shadowing healthcare professionals can offer invaluable practical insights into daily medical practice. As you progress, delve into more specialized areas such as pathology, immunology, and medical ethics. These subjects offer a deeper understanding of disease processes and professional responsibilities. Remember to continuously update your knowledge by following new research and medical guidelines. Medicine is always evolving. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers. Along with other helpful deals, keep learning and stay curious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.